Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine and good, and you will be learning very good and informative content from this channel. So welcome to all my new friends on this channel, and the members who have already subscribed my channel. Thanks for their love and their affection. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of mortgage. Have you ever heard the word of mortgage? No? So, okay, don't you worry about this. I'm gonna explain you the term mortgage in detail in my this channel. Okay? And I will teach you some online earning ways, some business terms, and I will try my best to make you understand about many topics that you have never learned from any other place. Okay, let me explain mortgage to you. So, first of all, let's read the definition of mortgage. Mortgage is a legal agreement by which a bank, building society, etc. lends money at interest. They will lend money at interest in exchange for taking title of the debtor's property. If you want to buy property, or if you want to buy something like jewelry, gold, diamond, or if you want to start your business, then you can go to the bank or that person who is providing you the facility that he will give you money. And this is the definition of mortgage: a legal agreement by which a bank, building society, etc. lends money at interest, but interest is the thing in this term mortgage, in exchange for taking title of the debtor's property, with a condition that the conveyance of title becomes void upon the payment of the debt. So, this is very simple definition of mortgage. If I explain it further, what is mortgage? You can make a clear picture in your mind about mortgage. Mortgage is a thing that convey. What is the thing to be conveyed? A property to a creditor as security on a loan. Convey a property to creditor as security on a loan. The estate was mortgaged up to the hill. This is the best example. If I want to make sentence on this, then you can easily understand this, what is mortgage. So I hope that this will be clear in your mind. Now if I explain it further, then what is mortgage in simple words? If I tell you the definition about mortgage in very simple words, without any questioning, without any difficulty. So first of all, I'm gonna read it. What is mortgage in very simple words? A mortgage is a way to use one's real property as a guarantee for a loan to get money. When the mortgage transaction is made, the debtor gets the money with the loan and promises to pay the loan. The creditor will receive money back with interest over time, usually in payment made each month by the debtor. Okay, this is the very simple definition of mortgage. I hope that you have cleared now, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try my best to explain you further about this topic, mortgage. Now let's take some examples about the topic mortgage. A mortgage is a loan. It is a loan provided by a mortgage lender or a bank that enables an individual to purchase a home or property. Examples include property, plant and equipment, and any kind of business if you want to start. Tangible assets are on the money an individual is lent to purchase the home. So this is the definition of mortgage, and this is the example of mortgage. I hope that I have taught you in a very well way. Now, if I explain it more, a mortgage is a type of loan that's used to finance property. Okay, type of loan. It is a type of loan that used to finance property. A mortgage is a type of loan, but not all the loans are mortgages. Keep in mind this thing. Not all the loans are mortgages. Mortgages are secured loans. These are so secure. With a secured loan, the borrower promises collateral to the lender in the event that they stop making payments. So, what you have learned that it is a kind of loan, but keep in mind all loans are not mortgage. And it is very secured kind of loan, okay, in which the borrower promises collateral to the lender in the event that they stop making payments. So this is the definition of mortgage which I have explained to you, and this was the topic of the day. I hope that you have cleared this without any difficulties. So if you are visiting on my channel for very first time, then what are you waiting for? Come on and subscribe my channel, and also hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you can get my all videos in future. Take best care, stay blessed. Till then, Allah Hafiz.